Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Hussaini wrote the number sentences given below. Okay. 270 equals to, we have given one club sign into 18. And the second sentence is club into dollar is 390. So the value of club is the same in both the sentences. Both of Hussaini's number sentences are 2. So what will be the value of dollar? First sentence is 270 equals to club into 18. Okay. So the value of club will be, if we divide both the sides by 18, it will be 270 by 18, that is 15. And as both the sentences are true, so taking the value of club as a 15 into dollar, it will be 390. So the value of dollar will be, if we divide both the sides by 15, it will be 390 by 15, which will be 26. Hence, value of dollar is 26.